Hey family, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing at-home easy manicures. Easy at-home manicures. For men and women. We know we're stuck in a house, and when all this is said and done, we're probably going to look like hairy bears with long claws. And I'm going to try to help you out with that, because our hands are going through hand sanitizer, washing constantly. They're dry. Our nails are growing long. We don't know what to do. So we're going to do a easy at-home manicure. Yes, we are. So if you want to see how we accomplish this, just keep watching. The supplies you're going to need: a bowl, any bowl will do, and some warm soapy water. This is actually dish soap. So a little bit of dish soap and some warm water. You're going to need a nail file, of course. I'm pretty sure all of us keep nail files somewhere in our house. So any nail file. Cuticle pusher. Now, I use the wooden ones. You can find wooden ones on Amazon. You'll get like 200 of these for $4, maybe $5. But they also carry metal ones in grocery stores, in the checkout lanes. You can find metal cuticle pushers. So I use wooden. We're going to use a wooden cuticle pusher. Of course, nail clippers. These, I'm pretty sure you have around your home. I have real small ones because I have tiny hands, but nail clippers, if you need to clip your nails, which you probably do, because I did. Clear fingernail polish. This is from Sally Beauty Supply, but as I stated, you can find clear fingernail polish anywhere. In the checkout lanes, certain aisles in the grocery store. So clear fingernail polish. Cuticle oil. You want some cuticle oil just to make sure that your cuticles are kind of nourished. It's almost like a lotion for it. This was $1.99 in the beauty supply. $1.99. But again, you could probably find this in a grocery store down one of their personal aisles with the lotions and stuff. And lotion. Got this EOS lotion. Again, you can find this in the checkout lane in your local grocery store. Or if you have lotion at home, you don't have to purchase lotion. It's just lotion. Now, this I saved for last. This is a cuticle clipper, guys. We're not using this today. Not at all. Because these things tend to be super sharp, and if you don't know how to use it, you will cut your cuticles. You will cut yourself. And then you'll comment, "Darn thing, I cut myself." Oh yeah, last but not least, you're going to need a couple of sheets of paper towel just to pat your hands dry, and just one sheet to pat your hands dry and one sheet to just put your hands on when you're filing, so you won't get the nail filings everywhere. Okay, let's get started. So you're going to soak your hand at least maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes if you think that you absolutely need 10 minutes of soaking your hands. Well, not your whole hand, just your nail bed. So just enough water to cover your nails. So you're going to soak it for 5 minutes, but for the sake of this video, we are not soaking our nails for 5 minutes. We're going to leave it in here for a couple of more seconds, just so my nails can be soft enough to show you guys how to continue with the manicure. While you're doing this, you might want to sing a song, listen to some music, do whatever you feel you need to do, while you're waiting. So I'm going to sit here and listen to this music. Okay, you're going to pat it off the excess water, because you still want your nail to be semi-wet, just because you need to be able to push your cuticles back. Then you're going to take your wooden cuticle pusher or your metal cuticle pusher, whichever one you have, and you're going to start pushing your nail bed back. Let me get up a little bit closer so you guys can see that. Pushing it back. You're gonna have a little bit of cuticle on your nail, on the cuticle file. I mean, cuticle pusher. Sorry. You're gonna push it back. Let's see. I want you guys to be able to see how I'm doing that. See, now this is, my cuticle is lifting a little bit, so this would be where you would attempt to cut your cuticle, but again, we're not doing that today. I'm gonna brush it off. I actually have a nail brusher, but you don't need that, but I have one just to brush it off. You don't need it. You could take your paper towel and actually brush it off. Now, once you've soaked and pushed back your cuticle on one side, you're gonna repeat it on the other hand, and then you're gonna start to file your nails. So when you're filing your nails should be filed round. Just gonna file like you go from one side to the other. I wish I could show you guys like what I mean, but maybe this way. But of course you're gonna do them facing you, so it'll be much easier. That should be this video. So you can't hear it probably because I'm gonna have some music on, but maybe this should be a ASMR video where they make all the noises. Just go in and you're gonna file your nails as low as you want them to be, and then you're gonna repeat on the other side. So mine is pretty short. On most files, they have a white soft side to them, which is the part that like smooths out the nails. So once you file both hands, you want to use the soft side to kind of smooth out the ridges, because our fingernails tend to have ridges on them. And when you paint it with the clear polish, you just want it to look like you actually have been somewhere to get a manicure. So you want to just take the smooth side, and then you can, once you're done buffing them out, you can use your paper towel, or if you have like a little brush or something, just to brush it off. Actually, you'll be able to see where your ridges, some are still rough, or a lot of them are smoothed out. You'll be able to see it. Like I said, when your nails are facing you, it's much easier. So I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And then you're gonna repeat on the other hand. Once your fingernails have been buffed out, you want to go wash them off, because then that will take off any excess powder from, nail residue, not powder, nail residue that you had from buffing your nails out. You want to dry them off, And then you want to add the cuticle oil around your cuticles. Act like it did not want to open. You're just going to put it around your cuticles, each finger. And then you want to go on this side where you first started and kind of rub that oil in, so it's getting into your cuticle while it's sitting on your other hand. So you want to make sure it's rubbed in to your cuticles really good. Just use your finger for that. And now you want to add your lotion, whatever hand lotion or lotion that you have, just to moisturize your hands a little bit. And then once you add your lotion, take a little paper towel and kind of just wipe it off your nail bed. Because what you don't want to do, when you're polishing your nails, you don't want to polish over lotion. So just wipe the nail bed off, the top of your nail. And now we're ready to add, sorry about that. Now we're ready to add our clear polish. Now we're ready to paint our nails. And one of the good things is painting your nails is really easy with clear polish, because if you make a mistake, you really can't see it. So you want to paint your nails. Of course, they're going to be facing you. This is just for the sake of the video, so you guys can see how easy it is. Okay, now the other side. Probably want to add a second coat anyway. It just strengthens your nails. Let me get in here. Sorry about that. I think I'm so focused in on painting my nails, I forgot I'm showing you guys. If you like videos like this and beauty videos, more videos like this from me, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, and I'll do more tutorials like this for you. Okay, so you can go in and add a second coat, but this is what we're looking like right now. You did a homemade at-home manicure. Very easy for women and men right now while we're stuck in the house. And I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to thumbs up this video, guys. Till next time. Bye.